Welcome to the Mecum Harrisburg auction. Now, this isn't the video that you mostly would be looking for, but I want to document and show some of the damage that the storm has done to these cars and show you some of the cleanup process that the crew has went through to get rid of the tent that got blown over during a near tornado level winds. So take a little look at what I am showing you. There's going to be a lot of footage in here that might not seem the nicest, but I want to show the hardship that these co-signers and builders had to go through. And I don't even know if Mecum is going to cover them. I heard a few things about different ways, like $3 to $5 grand in cash to cover things. Now, I am not a reporter. I am just doing what I have heard from other co-signers coming up to me to explain what they have gone through, like vehicles like this. I don't understand how $3 to $5 grand would cover it. I've also heard that the photos may or may not have been updated online before people started bidding, so that's not fair to either the buyer or the co-signer who trusted to have their vehicles safe, and they didn't even bother to throw another tent back up for the rest of the auction. As you can see, cars like this all are trapped underneath the tents, and all of the ripped canvas that's left, there's poles everywhere that weigh hundreds of pounds, and everything's been left in destruction. It deeply saddens me to see what has happened to all the hard work that people put in to save these cars, and they're just ruined by a storm. Now, there was plenty of buildings, and I don't know if they knew the storm was coming or not, and to see all these historic cars just trapped and or destroyed when there was possibilities on things to most likely keep these vehicles safe. Now, I stayed on the farm grounds, and that's why I have the footage like this. I am a co-signer myself, and I will be explaining how I feel selling at Mecum and Barrett-Jackson in another video. And to be honest, I have a very bad taste in my mouth after dealing with a company that didn't even bother to check on the residents staying to watch their auction. And being a co-signer, that just made my experience a whole lot less wholesome and felt more like I was just a money item bringing in a car to get them their percentage. Just take a look. This is another car, a transam that's probably totaled after this auction, and I don't see how that can be repaired without a new body. That one right there, that Mustang, was crashed and ruined from poles. There's tons and tons of damage and took hours to clean up. And now all these vehicles were left outside in the rain for days when they probably were garage kept themselves. You guys can take in your own ideas and feelings about this.